Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on Moto G45 5G. Motorola's latest addition to its G series lineup, the Moto G45 5G, offers a compelling blend of design, performance, and affordability. Launched in India with a starting price of 10,999 Indian rupees, this smartphone aims to cater to budget-conscious consumers seeking reliable 5G connectivity. Unboxing experience. The Moto G45 5G arrives in standard packaging, including handset, 20W fast charger, USB Type-A to Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, clear protective case, user manual and warranty information. This comprehensive package ensures users have all essentials to begin their smartphone journey. Design and display. The device boasts a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals. The HD+ resolution and 500 nits peak brightness ensure clarity, even under direct sunlight. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 provides added durability. A standout feature is its vegan leather back panel, lending a premium feel uncommon in this price segment. Available in brilliant blue, brilliant green, and Viva Magenta, the phone weighs 183 g and measures 8.03 mm in thickness, making it both lightweight and sleek. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Moto G45 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. Storage is expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card. The device runs on Android 14 with Motorola's MyUX skin, ensuring a near-stop Android experience. Motorola has committed to an Android 15 update and 3 years of security updates, enhancing the device's longevity. Camera system. The smartphone features a dual camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor with electronic image stabilization, EIS, and a 2MP macro lens. The 50MP sensor captures detailed images, while the macro lens allows for close-up photography. On the front, a 16MP camera handles selfies and video calls. Both front and rear cameras support 1080p video recording. Battery and connectivity. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the Moto G45 5G supports 18W fast charging, with a 20W charger included in the box. Connectivity options are robust, including support for multiple 5G bands, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos enhances the audio experience. Additional features. The device includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking and an IP52 rating for dust and splash resistance. The vegan leather finish not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also provides a comfortable grip. Conclusion. The Moto G45 5G stands out in the budget smartphone segment, offering a premium design, solid performance, and future-proof 5G connectivity. Its combination of a high refresh rate display, capable processor, and thoughtful design elements makes it a compelling choice for users seeking value without compromise. Thanks for watching.